I'm Nick. I live at Seaforth on the Mill Beaches, New South Wales. I think, like many people, those power bills were only increasing, and we hadn't installed solar previously, so it's really about significantly reducing, ideally eliminating power bills, and at the same time do the right thing for the environment. I should say I was very interested in Sig. I think it's a premium product and it suits this house well. So I looked at, PSC does Sig, obviously at Sargent store. From the moment I called PSC on a Friday afternoon at something like 3 p.m, I believe, and I spoke to a sales contact, it was very clear that they knew the Sargent store range very well, and by the end of the conversation I actually had a quotation with what I wanted, and there was only two items to decide on. One was the size of the inverter. Do I go 15 or 25? And the second one, what to do about charging with a DC charger module. Having that quote, I drove out to Penrith. That was on a Friday afternoon, as I said. Saturday morning, drove out to the showroom there. Spent about an hour and a half throwing as many questions as I could at the sales contact. Everything was answered. Very reassuring to see the setup there. So I slept on it 2 nights and then placed the order on the Monday morning. The design process was actually quite short because I'd done a lot of research, and some of the PSC videos are very informative actually. But one thing that really impressed me about PSC from the start, not only was the efficiency of turning that accurate quotes around basically as I was on the phone even, and then you're in the system and the process in terms of you get a note from the provisioning team and a follow-up note that this will happen, that will happen on these dates, and sure enough, PSC kept to those dates and they keep you informed throughout. But you had that process, so I was confident I wasn't going to get lost in the system. And as much as I wanted the system earlier, you also, PSC didn't overpromise and to deliver. You stayed firm. You were able to bring it forward a little bit, which was great. Many installers, I'm sure, would have said, oh yes, we'll do that, and then you place the order and you don't see them because there's a delay or something. Didn't happen with PSC. Very straightforward. I got a message, I think it was a text message I got through to say the installation crew would be here at this time. I think it was 8 a.m. They turned up at 5 to 8. The foreman was very good communications. I think there was a crew of 5 or 6, and they just let them get on with it, and they did a great job. And true to my expectations was, I didn't want a quick job, I wanted a quality job. And the crew, they actually took the time to get under the floor and hide as much cabling as possible, and it was the finish I expected, so very good. Also, cleaned up after themselves and left at whatever time, 4 p.m. or something. So it was all done in one day. That's the whole solar and the Sig battery stack. Almost too quick. So we have just over 16 kilowatts of solar, the all black ICO panel. The inverter is 25 kilowatt. Because we do have 3-phase to this home, so with 3-phase you can go to 30 kilowatt, so 25 kilowatt inverter, and 48 kilowatt hours of battery storage. Yeah, absolutely. I'm a little bit of do a bit of research, get a bit geeky on this stuff, and I did check the output. The first day after the install, it was what, January. The sun was out all day, no clouds, and I did check, and because I was concerned, we have three strings, three arrays on south, west and east facing. No north facing, which of course north facing is ideal. Our largest array is south facing. I'm thinking, okay, how much utilization are we going to get on that south facing? But on that first day, all of the arrays had positive tolerances. Everything was up to spec. So we were at I think it's even like 17 kilowatts at peak time. So it performed beyond. Even without a north-facing roof, so very pleasant. Absolutely does what it says. And the apps, the Sig app's very good. If you want, you can just go in there, have a look. You can have a look at the app, you flick your kettle on, you go, oh look, it's jumped up to several kilowatts, it jumps down. If you really want to do that, you can. But what I want, once I know it's working well, I just want to set and forget, right? There's more to life than checking if you're making money on your electricity or something, or how many kilowatts, you know, it does that. The Sig's very good at that. It's also great to drive around in an EV knowing you're using the energy that came from the sun the day before, right? So yes, I jumped straight on board with Amber, and that has worked well. Again, very good app actually, Amber. It really gives you great visibility. So the energy bills have been a small credit. We've had, I think, 3 months of bills now. 2 months was a small credit. 1 month was a larger credit because there was actually a spike that month. So I would say, conservatively, I would say the payback would be 5 years. That's assuming minimal spikes, but you know, subject to variations in supply. Where the spikes, you know, that might be 4 years, possibly less. I think, just like the Sig, you follow up on your commitments. You do what you say. You don't disappoint. Slightly over-deliver, you know, and process though. You feel that. I think you've really got your processes down pat, so you can scale effectively, right? Many in such a booming market would be struggling and dropping the ball, and I think I didn't have any of that. So I did quite a lot of research. My wife will say a lot of research, and I wanted a quality product where the battery is outside. It's down the side path, so I wanted quite a slim form factor, and potential for DC charging down the track. And also, because I was going to use Amber, the integration between Amber and the Sig Inverter, the software, is important to have good support there. And Sig at the time, it wasn't a beta product from an Amber point of view, it was a fully fledged production product. And going forward as well, I think given the market share Sig has in Australia, it's going to be well supported going forward with whatever comes next. I view this as a long-term investment. I want this to be an asset to my house. I don't want to save a couple of $1,000s with subcontractors that might do a rush job but cause problems with my roof leaking, for example. You know, in terms of would I recommend PSC to a friend? Absolutely. I already have, and I will again. And in terms of what I do differently, well, it's quite simple. Call PSC earlier.